Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to fix your live wallpaper not working. So I have only 3 steps for you. First one is checking if your software update is latest. So basically going to settings right there and then heading up to general. Now we're currently in general, right? So once you're going to be in general, look for software update. Just make sure there is no pending update on your end. It doesn't really matter if you have the latest version of 18.5 as of now, or you still have iOS 15. Just make sure you have the latest version, and of course you have live wallpaper features available on your end. Now next up, go back to settings right there. Go back on the landing page of settings, and in here, you want to go to battery. So make sure low battery mode is going to be turned off. This one right here, make sure this is going to be toggled off. Next one, under motion, just look for motion there or accessibility first. And then inside accessibility, go for motion. And then look for reduce motion. If this is turned on, which is by default, it's usually turned on. Make sure this is turned off. Alright? After that one, just reset your phone, turn it off, open it up, and you'll be good to go. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.